If you are a CA professional or run a small to mid-size audit firm, you already know how fiercely competitive the statutory bank branch audit empanelment process can be. So to everyone who has received their empanelment this season, a very well-deserved congratulations. I'm CA Dinesh, your professional guide. Now with the excitement of the appointment comes a very real and very common challenge. Where exactly does one begin? What are the right questions to raise with the branch manager at the very outset? Which areas of the audit demand the highest level of attention and professional skepticism? And how does one navigate the reporting requirements efficiently within the tight deadlines that bank audits demand? These are questions that even experienced auditors revisit every season. And if you are stepping into a bank branch audit for the first time, the need for clarity is even greater. In this video, I will take you through a comprehensive, area-wise walkthrough of the statutory branch audit process, structured to give you a clear picture of what to expect, what to prioritize, and how to approach this engagement with the confidence and rigor it deserves. Let us begin. First, let's look at system and access requirements. Many of the bank branches are using financial CBS software, commonly known about the software and version being used, and arrange read-only login credentials for the entire audit team before you arrive, and also ABS login credentials for reporting purpose. And also get clarification from branch manager on user ID creation requires any RO approval. Confirm with the branch whether your LFAR is system generated, manual or a hybrid. Also, please provide details of any additional annexures or schedules required for reporting. Usually, LFAR is system generated and DSC signing is sufficient. Verify that a copy of the previous year's LFAR and the current status of compliance is ready for the auditors to review as their starting point. Effective audit planning is completely based on clarity about when the branch accounts will be closed and the financial data finalized. Knowing the exact point at which records are frozen ensures accuracy, efficiency, and proper preparation for the entire statutory audit process. The audit team can plan their site visits accordingly when the dates are intimated for finalization of books of accounts and when the reports can be generated, also providing clear schedule for examine the books of accounts as trail balance and financial statements to create a planned audit execution. Now for the core financial data. Many prior registers and statements are mandatory and must be organized for immediate inspection. It is more important to arrange all the loan balancing files, trial balance, and the profit and loss account for the current financial year. Also need to disclose the balance sheet and fixed assets register, which includes all the additions and deletions which are made during the year. The credit portfolio remains a critical area of focus during statutory branch audits. To ensure smooth and efficient verification, loan files must be prepared in advance and systematically organized according to product categories. Proper structuring not only facilitates timely review, but also enhances transparency, accuracy, and compliance in the whole audit process. Keep all the loan files ready for cash credit, overdrafts, term loans, gold loans, MSME, agriculture, housing, and personal loans. It is essential to provide a comprehensive NPA schedule for effective statutory branch audit. NPA list. Include full classification from substandard to loss assets, along with outstanding balances and provisions held. Coming to most frequently audited sectors. Agriculture and aqua sectors are the frequent sectors which are audited. So don't forget to prepare the interest subvention calculation sheets. All loan files must be thoroughly updated and maintained with the core documents such as sanction letters, post-sanction verification reports, security papers, and KYC records, ensuring completeness and accuracy. We ensure about SARSAI registration details, CIBIL reports, insurance policies, and updated valuation reports are present in every file. For overdraft and cash credit accounts, provide the latest financial statements, projections, and recent GST or IT returns. Ensure that all legal opinions and MODT or mortgage-related documents are also present, verified, and properly executed. Double-check for all borrower signatures and ensure all documents have proper authorization from the concerned bank officials. Moving to operational controls. Reconciliation is key here to ensure that all internal branch accounts are properly balanced. Preparing clear and accurate reconciliation statements for each accounts to disclose the current and balance, also to avoid the discrepancies. For any one-time settlement or NPA cases, keep all notices, legal correspondence, and current status reports updated and available. While in the process of audit, the audit team requires well-lit area for more focus. Login credentials and necessary permissions are to be arranged. Reliable internet and access to core banking systems must be available while on site. Allocate at least 2 systems for the auditors and be ready to facilitate unit visits for at least 2 high-value borrower accounts. Next, we look at accounting charges and process controls. Manual entries are directly impacting financial statements. Such entries require special scrutiny, proper documentation, and explicit approval from authorized officials. Providing detailed manual entries details, which includes the approval processes and the supporting documents. Arrange all circulars and guidelines for interest rates, minimum balances, and various processing or inspection charges applied during the year. Compile all the internal and external audit reports and documents from previous financial years to maintain the clear audit history for the branch. For background review, stock, revenue, and internal or concurrent audit reports, these documents are more essential for the auditor and also include whether any RBI inspection reports and details of any fraud identified or reported during the current financial year. By arranging all required data, documents, and system access points well in advance, the branch ensures that the statutory audit is conducted in a thorough, professional, and efficient manner. Remember, preparation is not just about the audit, it's about maintaining the trust and integrity of our entire banking system. When the branch team and auditors work together with clear documentation, the entire process becomes efficient and stress-free. Start your audit preparations today using this checklist. Thank you for your continued commitment to excellence and regulatory compliance. Wishing every new team success as they embark on this important journey. I wish all business people happy financial 2026-27 starting, and goodbye to Income Tax 1961 and welcome new Income Tax Code. Thank you for watching.